sunny day, round about the month of May, in a little French cafe, we were laughing the day away. Oh, we spent the month of June, brighter days and happy tunes. Summer faded much too soon, you left me by the harvest moon. That other fella caught your eye, you couldn't wait for me. And now I'm wondering by and by when you'll finally see. Darling, won't you be a dear? Winter storms are gonna clear, brighter days are drawing near. True love's waiting for you here.